Hello, guys and girls. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Johnson FX. If you are just joining this YouTube channel, if you are just watching this content, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Most especially, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will really be of help to this channel. So, guys, I was on this street yesterday. I made a market breakdown this street on this pair yesterday, and I analyzed, sorry, I forecasted AUDJPY was creating something like after this move here, it was creating something like an ascending to this or to this area. But I analyzed that I forecasted that if it get to this area, I'll be looking for confirmation to enter for the sell. But instead, when the markets opened, I saw a rally to the downside here. I saw a rally to the downside, and it was quite uh, corrective to the downside. After this huge impulsive candle, then it was now having something like a chop. It then created something like a double bottom here. So let me show you the thought process. Uh, yeah. So it rallied to this double bottom area, and I was like, okay, my plan has to change around this area. So after the first impulse, around here, I waited for a correction, something like a pullback to this area. Then that was how I entered for buy to this area. If you notice right now, JPY pairs are just buying. I don't know what's happening, but the movement is quite so powerful right now. So here is my trade on AEDJPY, currently running on 4%. Currently running on 4%. So let's see how it goes. So I'll be taking my profit around this area. I'll be taking my profit around this area. So that's it. And there is another one I'm going to dive into. Yeah, GBP sorry, GBP Yeah, GBP. I actually didn't enter the trade around this area. So here is what I I actually missed all the old moves here. I missed all the old moves here to the downside. So I now entered. I waited for this place to have for it to make a pullback to this area again. For it to make a pullback to this area, because I entered the market when it has already made like an impulse like this. So I waited for it to make a pullback. So I entered the trade. So it triggered me in. So and this one, I'm actually seeing something here at the 5 minutes. Yeah, something like a correction. So it's correcting back to this area, giving something like, yeah, a flag. You can see correcting back to this area. So it will just be more of like an impulse correction, then continuation to the downside. So that's actually what I'm looking for. So what again? Uh, GBP JPY, GBP JPY, GBP JPY. Yeah, GBP JPY actually made a funny movement early this morning. Early this morning, made a funny movement. You can see the approach to this area, the long big candle. I actually don't know. Maybe it's because of news or what. You can see this long big candle, very very long. So it approached this area right now, and it's actually something like a value area where there is a turning point, or where there is a rejection. So the approach to this value area is quite very very high, like so impulsive. And so I wouldn't want to enter the market just so fast like that, or maybe when I see a rejection just enter like a risk entry. you know I don't really resonate with that, because it might just tag me in and just tag me out and continue trickling its way up. So what I'll force to wait for here is the first push and the next flag, the next 15-minute flag or 5-minute flag. I will take the trade. So that's what I'm actually waiting for. You can see how impulsive the candle is. You can see how impulsive the candle is. So so impulsive. I believe someone that caught this trade, this movement would have been much, so much profit right now. So as you can see, the approach to this value area is quite impulsive, and you can't just enter the trade just because we're having a rejection around this area. So it might just create something like a mass psychology, then drop and give us. I actually want to see something like this, a correction, for me to have a confirmation to short. And it might also give something, might also see another scenario here, a funny scenario that it would even respect this area. It might not even respect this area, and just continue trickling its way up. So another plan for this trade is here, another push up. If I can see, if I should see something like a clear break away from this structure, and the next, I'm coming guys, a total break and the next correction, I'll take it to continue the initial trend it has been following. The next correction, to continue its initial trend. So that's actually my thought process on this trade. This is actually a quick trade recap. I don't want to do to just enlighten my viewers. So that's all for today. Please, if you are just joining this channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and comment, and tell me what you think about this video. Thank you guys.